A powerful tool to help you identify the areas your students need more help with is the sort by percent correct feature. So from your dashboard, head into the classroom, go over to your students, and select the student you'd like to help identify this for. If you have assigned them your assignments with that question feature, you can click on whatever assignment you'd like over here. If your students have been taking their own assignments, you can use that show menu and you can click that view test where you can see all of those tests that they have taken. From over here, you can click on previous tests. And again, you can get a full list of all of those tests that they have created. Here you can look at the analysis and results of any test that they have taken. So let's look at the analysis here of this test that a student took and look at this feature here. I want to use this sort by percent correct and essentially get a sort of the weakest to strongest areas that this student is struggling with. So I get a nice little graph here that child health was a struggle. Leadership and management was an area that he has an opportunity for growth in. But fundamentals and mental health were really big strong suits. So I want to offer him a lot of encouragement in those areas and then see how I can help with child health and leadership and management. Of course, those subjects are pretty broad strokes. So giving lessons a look, I can again scroll here and see that GI, nutrition, and prioritization are areas I could help a bit with. But mental health, abuse, neglect, these were much stronger areas. Lastly, I can also look at the client need areas and sort them by the NCLEX test plan. So utilizing that sort by percent correct will really help me determine what areas my students might need more assistance with.